Hey guys, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about the Beats Flex. This comes in at about $50. This headphones from Apple comes with a W1 chip, meaning that it lets you or it behaves like a pair of earbuds or for about a third of the price. This headphone comes in pretty basic boxing. As you can see around, we just have the basic information. This is not surprising considering that the price for this is $50. Let's take a look at the headphones. So we have a strap here where we can open up the headphones. So we're gonna open it up pretty easily. So once you take out the headphones from the box, we have just the basic information here. So as you can see, we have the volume up button, the volume down button, the pause and play button, and we also have the mics here. So this charges with a USB-C cable, USB-C to C cable. So if you're using a MacBook or you're using one of the latest generation iPads, you can use this to charge that as well. This also comes with 6 pair of extra ear tips, so they can fit comfortably since different people have different styles of ear tips. So looking around the box, looking inside the box as well, we have just the basic information. We have the information on how to pair, how many hours they last. We also have the bit sticker, just like some of the Apple products come with the Apple sticker. This comes with the bit stickers, so we can put this to the side. And we have basically the information here. So let's look at the headphones themselves. As you can see, this is really nicely packaged. So let's take them out. So looking at the big headphones, you can see on one side we have the volume up and down button. We also have the pause and play button underneath, and next to that we have the microphone. So actually Apple claims this microphone is wind resistant, but we don't know that yet. I'm pretty sure it is. As you can see, it charges with a USB-C connector right here. So we also have the Beats branding, and on the other side we just have the pause button here. So we also have the indicator that shows right and left side, so you know which side to put in your ears. So this looks pretty good. No matter how much you fold it, it just expands back out, which feels really good. So for a pair of $50 headphones, this feels really comfortable. This feels really good. It doesn't feel at all cheap. It definitely feels like a premium product that anyone can buy. It comes in at a third of the price of the AirPods themselves, but the AirPods Pro are a little bit more expensive. The AirPods Pros comes with active noise cancellation, but this doesn't come with active noise cancellation. Obviously, based on the price that this is just $50, this cannot, I don't expect Apple to put in active noise cancellation in here, but this does come with noise reduction. When you put this in your ears, it feels like noise cancellation, but actually this is not noise cancellation, it's just active noise reduction. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you the pairing process. So pairing this up is pretty easy. Like I said, this has the Apple W1 chip, so it pairs pretty seamlessly with the iPhone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the pair button here. So as you guys can see, because of the W1 chip, it comes just like the Apple AirPods themselves. So we're going to connect it. So now it's connected. We have 45% battery on this. So actually one cool thing about this is it has up to 12 hours of battery life, which is technically all day battery. I don't know who's going to be listening to music for 12 hours straight. And it also has customizable icons, as you guys can see here. It has customizable icons for the battery widget. You can see the customizable icons just like the one for the AirPods or the AirPods Pros. So we're gonna do a little sound test and I'm gonna let you guys know what the sound is like. All right, guys. So what I can tell you about the sound test is that this sound really amazing for a pair of $50 headphones. And one of the most amazing features about this is the fact that once you connect it here, it pauses the music, and once you take them apart, they play again. I think that's really awesome. Unlike with the AirPods where you take the one piece out of your ears and they pause, this one, once you take the both of them out, you put them together and they pause, which is really amazing. I think this would be good for people going for exercise or going for jogs, but definitely this is not water resistant. I would like to let you guys know about that. This is definitely not water resistant, so I'm not go swimming or anything with this. But for the sound quality, it's really good. The bass is incredible. The treble is also incredible. As something that you expect from Apple. Apple's sound system is definitely considered one of the best. So definitely I would recommend this for anyone. This is definitely a budget headphone. This is something that has Apple's W1 chip and connects pretty easily to all iOS devices. But this doesn't only connect to iOS devices as well. You can download the Beat app on your Android phone and you can connect this as well. Once the Beat app is downloaded and connected, it will basically have the same function. You can magnetically pause it and remove to play as well, and the sound quality will not be any different. This is definitely one of the best product that I think Apple has come out with. It's really cheap and budget friendly, and we all know Apple isn't exactly in the budget game. So this is just a little unboxing and review of this. I hope you guys liked it, and see you guys in the next one.